everyone, and welcome to Willoz Creations. Today I made a video for my subscribers. These are some new collections of cards that I have, some Father's Day, Mother's Day cards, you name it. So I will go into the details of this card. I have a 30% off sales going on my website. Some of these cards are not yet up on my website, but you guys can DM me, send me a message or email on what you like, and I will get it ready put on my website so that you guys can get the 30% off. I'm currently working on my Amazon store to get them up on my Amazon store front, so it will take me a little while, so I decided that I will showcase these to you guys. Since Mother's Day is coming up, Father's Day is coming up, I will alter the prices on my website for you guys so you could order a different card with the same price, and I will get this card to you that you wanted, so that way you guys can use the coupon code on my website to get the 30% off. The 30% off is not going to be on my Amazon site, but it will be on my original website. So these cards can be for any occasions for the men, and you can also add money or a gift card inside of the pockets of this card. So these flowers cards right here, I made them for Teacher's Day, and Teacher's Day is coming up, and I got 4 persons to give gifts to. So I'm wondering if I should add some personal touch, some notes, and some flowers in there. These cards come blank as of right now. I will think about doing something different to them later on when I have time. So they come in a set of 6 or 4. You can order one if you wish to. So I'm giving you guys the option of what to do, or you can personalize it with your own message. So most of my cards there can be for many occasions and for both gender as well. So this one here, it's a handbag card. It can be for any occasion. I specifically made it for Mother's Day, but I didn't add any embellishments on it. So this card can also be for teenagers. So if you have any teenagers celebrating birthdays, graduation, or any other special occasion, you can grant them a simple gift like this and add your own message to it. And this one right here is another Mother's Day card with a belly band flower on top. You can just easily take out the flower, and it is called a pop-out panel card. So this is the inside portion of it, and nothing much, and it can stand on its own. So yes guys, this is how it look. Coming up, it's another Mother's Day card with pop-up art inside. Also have a belly band on the outside, as y'all can see right here. I'm just sliding off the belly band and open up the inside, where you have a teddy bear on the side, and you can write your own personal notes on that blank section over there. As I said before, if you want to order these cards, since they're not on my website, you can send me an email, send me a text message, whatever you like, and order. Ask for prices. So my email is willozcreations@gmail.com, and my number is up on my Facebook business page, which is Willoz Creations as well. So this is another pop-up flower Mother's Day card. Here is another Mother's Day card again. So I feel the need to make a video for you guys and just showcase them and let you guys know what I'm up to. So right in the middle, you have a pop-up section with arts, and you also have ample space to write your notes in the middle of this card. So I know I'm a bit late with showcasing these cards to you guys, but no worries. The earlier you order, the better, because you can get your cards within 3 business days, as long as I ship them out like on a Saturday, and I can mail the card on a Monday. So it depends on how much you want or the designs, because you know I put a lot of work into my handmade products. Right here is a pop-up box Mother's Day card. This one is a slimline card with hearts pop up in the middle. So it is a little bit small than regular, so it's half the regular card base. I know Mother's Day is fastly approaching, and you know the time is busy, but as I said before, the earlier you order, the better, so I can get it to you guys. And this one is a pop-up box birthday card. Most of these cards can be for any occasion, so feel free to DM me what the occasion is, and I will put the embellishments on them for you guys. So I'm giving you guys special treatment because you guys are my subscribers. You are part of the Willoz Creations family, so you guys get special treatment. And also this one is a birthday card, and this one right here is an anniversary card. Again, this one can be for any occasion, birthdays, anniversaries, just a thank you, or whatever occasion it may be. So right there you have ample space, can write your messages, and this one can stand up on its own. As you all can see right here, I have a Mr. and Mrs. Congratulations. It's a wedding card. It can be flipped open like that, and you can just attach the section just like what I'm doing right here, and it gave a nice pop-up look to it. And then in the inside you got 3 pop-up arts. It's right here again. This is a wedding card with pop-up on the inside. As you can see, you're gonna see on the inside right there, just simple. You got space over the other side to write your notes, so I always try my best to leave enough space for you guys to write notes on. So the sale that's going on, it's for Mother's Day sales, and Father's Day sales gonna come up next, so make use of those sales that are going on right now. This is a Father's Day card which I already posted on my website with a matching gift box. So this one is on my website right now, so if you want to take a look at that, go ahead. This one is a next Father's Day card, really simple, nothing really fancy. So you know the men's, they are really simple, they're not really fussy and fancy like the women's. So, and this one is a birthday card, you know, a lot of birthday going on around the world. So this card is a copycat for the Father's Day card that I showcased before this one. So there's a birthday pop-up cake inside the middle, as you all can see. Just simple, easy, nothing fancy. And coming up, it's a birthday card as well. This card is called a wing card. You will see the inside of it. I haven't made a video for this card as yet. It was a kind of an emergency coming up where I have to make a card for someone, and I decided to use this one, someone special. So yeah, I will try to make a video for it sometime soon, but we will see how that goes. You know, the videos, they take a long while to make. So yes guys, the pop-up wing card, as y'all can see, very fancy. And this one is a birthday card, can be for any occasion, male or female. And it's the last card. Thank you for watching.